When prepared with cuts of chicken and mutton oil for frying, dishes offers a good sources of protein and it can be enjoyed as a part of balanced diet. Thank you.
Hi everyone, today I bought samosa for you. It is very delicious and is very good for health because it is filled with protein, vitamins, love and care. I request you to buy it for rupees 15 only.
Hi, good morning. Mushroom biryani. Today I brought mushroom biryani. Mushroom oil. Mostly vegetables, spiced potato, onions, etc. It is my favorite one. It is very crispy. Buy it from me and enjoy it. It is cost rupees 5. Thank you. Welcome to our festival. Happy morning. I prepared porridge for you. It was tasty. It gives energy to your body. It was good for your health. Kindly buy this and enjoy it. It costs only 10 rupees. Thank you. Happy morning. Welcome to the festival. I am Maria from 68. I have prepared beetroot chapati and chana masala for you. Beetroot offers powerful anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation in the body and support overall immunity. And chana contains high fiber content. You will definitely like this. Have a try and of vitamin C. Please buy the lemon juice and enjoy it. It costs only 10 rupees. Thank you. Hi, good morning. Mushroom biryani. Today I brought mushroom biryani.